Today we will start with GSM architecture. Let us start. Mobile computing. This is lecture 4 and we will learn GSM architecture. The full form of GSM is Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM is a digital mobile network that is widely used by mobile phone users in Europe and other parts of the world. GSM is a digital mode network that is widely used by mobile phone users. Earlier, it was used in Europe. After that, its use was started in different parts of the world. The GSM uses a variation of time division multiple access (TDMA). I think everyone have read earlier what is TDMA, time division multiple access, and it is most widely used of the three digital wireless telephony techniques, TDMA. What are the three techniques? TDMA, GSM, and code division multiple access. These are the three popular techniques. The GSM architecture consists of different elements, including base station subsystem, BSS, network and switching system, NSS, operation and support subsystem, as well as elements including MSC, AUC, HLR, VLR. So these are different parts. Base station, what is base station subsystem? Does anyone have any idea about base station subsystem? If anyone has any idea, they can tell me. Actually, base station subsystem, it is composed of two parts. There are two parts in a base radio subsystem. Not partly you are true, but actually it can be broken into transceiver station and BTS and base station controller BSC. The BTS and BSC communicate across the specified interface, enabling operation between components that are made by different suppliers. The radio components of BSS, it consists of 4 to 7 or 9 cells. A BSS may have one or more base station. The BSS uses the ABIS interface. ABIS interface is a type of interface which is used between the BTS and BSC. What is base transceiver station, BTS? The base transceiver station houses the radio transceivers that define a cell and handles the radio link protocol. It handles what is the role of BTS. It handles the radio link protocol within the mobile station. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I got disconnected due to poor network issue. Let us again share the screen. So what I was describing about BSS, base station subsystem, it consists of BTS and BSC. BTS, it houses the radio transceivers, and BTS corresponds to the transceivers and antennas used in each cell of the network. A BTS is usually placed in the center of a cell. Its transmitting power defines the size of a cell. Each BTS has, we can say, between 1 to 16 transceivers, depending on the density of users in the cell. And what about base station controller, BSC? BSC manages the radio resources for one or more BTS. This is the role of BSC. BSC is the connection between the BSC is the it connects. Actually, several people they are disconnecting and they are again getting joined. So I have to allow. That is why the problem. So BSC assigns and releases frequencies and time slots for mobile stations. Mobile station, it is a switching device that handles radio resources. What are the additional functions? Additional functions are control of frequency hopping, performing traffic concentration to reduce the number of lines, providing an interface to operation and maintenance center, time and frequency synchronization, power management, time delay measurement of received signals from mobile stations. These are different parts of or different functions of BSS. Okay. Now we will come to NSS, Network Switching System. What is the role of network switching system? Anyone? So NSS is the component of a GSM system that carries out call and mobility management functions for mobile phones roaming on the network of base stations. It is owned and deployed by mobile phone operators and allows mobile devices to communicate with each other, and telephones. This architecture contains specific features and functions which are needed because the phones are not fixed. The phones are movable, so this network switching subsystem is required because whenever we are moving, we are switching between one system to another system. Hence the requirement. The NSS originally consisted of the circuit switched core network used for traditional GSM services such as voice call. So different traditional web services like voice calls are being used through this system. Okay. So this is about NSS. Now, Operation Support Subsystem. What is Operation Support Subsystem? I request everyone to please study what I am explaining just after the class is over. Just please, all of you read. I don't think all of you are doing any work after class. You are just attending the class and no one is paying attention. Regarding your project, I want to say some little thing that soon I will give you the choice of project from which you can choose. If anybody wants to do project as per their own if anyone has any project proposal, like they want to do anything, yes, it supports and maintenance of GSM network. Deepali, you are right. So again, coming back to project, since some of you have made query regarding project, so related to MCA minor project, I just want to make an announcement that soon the project allocations will be done. You will be given a choice of projects, and from which you have to choose the required project or the supposed project. But before that, let me tell you one thing, that if anyone wants to give any proposal, like we will give you a list of projects. We will give you a list of projects, but based on the project, the evaluation will be done, the type of project which you choose, and if anyone has any proposal, then they can give that proposal. Okay. So regarding assignment, please do your assignment. I think I have earlier made an announcement regarding the submission of assignment. Those who has missed, I am again announcing that all of you need to prepare 2 Google Sheets, one for assignment and another for questions. Prepare 2 Google Sheets and add a new page date-wise. Since I am giving assignment and questions date-wise, so all of you makes Google Sheet and date-wise assignment and questions. You just go on adding assignment and questions. When I will ask, all of you will share the link with me, the assignment and question. Both of you will share, and both of them will be placed in a different file. Separate files will be there. Separate Google Sheets, Google Sheet, not Google Docs will be there. No need to attach. Just upload those assignment in your drive. Then I will say, and simply share the link with me. So, coming back to the topic, operation support subsystem. What is operation support subsystem? The OSS is an element within the overall GSM mobile communication network architecture that is connected to the component of the NSS and the BSC. It is used to control and monitor the overall GSM network, and is also used to control the traffic load of BSS. The traffic load of BSS can also be controlled. The operations and maintenance center OMC is connected to all equipment in the switching system and to BSC. The implementation of operation and maintenance center is called the operation and support system, OSS. What are the different functions of OSS? Administration and commercial operations like subscriptions and terminals, charging and statistics. Security management, network configuration, operation and performance management. Then there are maintenance tasks. So these are some features of OSS. Now, this is the GSM architecture. External network, it is connected to NSS, OMS, BSS and GSM. With BSS mobile station, that is user is connected. With OMS, that is operation management system, mobile operator is connected. Mobile operator is allowing or ensuring that the operations are being done. So this is the chain where external network, NSS, DSS, MS and users are directly joined. So this is the diagram of GSM architecture. GSM, I think I have already explained the full form. It is Global System for Mobile Communication. So GSM is a digital mobile network that is widely used by mobile phone users in Europe and other part of the world. GSM uses a variation of TDMA, just like I have earlier I have explained this. The GSM network actually has 4 separate parts that work together to function as a whole. The mobile device itself, the base subsystem, base station subsystem BSS, network switching system NSS, and operation and support system OSS. This can be seen with the help of diagram also. The mobile device connects to the network via hardware. The subscriber identity module card provides the network with identifying information about the mobile users. Now, the role of BSS is it handles traffic between cell phones and NSS. It consists of 2 main components, the base transceiver station and the base station controller. The BTS contains the equipment that communicates with the mobile phones, largely the radio transmitter receivers, antennas, while the PSC is the brain. It is the, we can say that it is the intelligence behind it. This is a more detailed diagram of mobile station. What is mobile station? Mobile equipment plus subscriber. This forms mobile station. Can anyone give me the example of mobile station? Mobile station, can anybody give me example? What is any example? Actually, mobile station, it comprises all users' equipment and software needed for communication within a mobile network. The term refers to the global system connected to mobile network. That is, the mobile phone or mobile computer connected using a mobile broadband adapter. Mobile station consists of mobile equipment and SIM. Mobile equipment IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity. Does anyone have any idea about IMEI? What is IMEI? What is IMEI? Does anyone has any idea? IMEI. It is International Mobile Equipment Identity. It is a number which is usually unique. No, not mobile adapter is required. It is actually a unique identifier which is present or which remains unique with all the mobiles. Identify 3GB of mobile phone. Yeah, it can say that each and every mobile is having a unique IMEI number. It is a type of PAN number, we can say. The IMEI is a number usually unique to identify as well as some satellite phones. We can identify different types of phones with the help of IMEI. How can you find the IMEI of your mobile? Yes, Rituparna, that is my question. How can you see the IMEI numbers? IMEI numbers are usually found printed inside the battery compartment of the phone. If you can look earlier, the phones were in earlier technologies, you can open that phone, can insert the SIM, and the battery can also be seen. But these days, smartphones, you cannot open them. So, how to find the IMEI number? IMEI number can be found by dialing certain numbers. What is that? Does anyone know that IMEI number, what you will type and then you will be able to see IMEI number? Yes, Devatrita, you are correct. It is *#06#. By dialing this, you will be able to view your IMEI number. Yes, Deepalia. So all of you know that how to view IMEI number. So IMEI only identifies the device. Even if your mobile phone, if they don't have any SIM inserted, even then the mobile phone will have an IMEI number. It uniquely identifies the device. The mobile phone identifies the subscriber by transmitting the IMSI number. IMSI is International Mobile Subscriber Identity, which it stores on a SIM card that can be transferred to any handset. However, the network's ability to know a subscriber's current individual device enables many network and security features. So many networks and security features are enabled. This is the formal definition. The base station subsystem is the section of a traditional cellular telephone network which is responsible for handling traffic and signaling between a mobile phone and network switching center. This is the section of traditional cellular telephone. In GSM network, the BSS is the part of network taking care of radio resources. That is radio channel allocation and quality of radio connection. That is the identifier. This is the way the radio channel allocation is being done. This is the diagram of base transceiver system. A base transceiver system, it is a piece of equipment that facilitates wireless communication between user equipment and network. This is the diagram. Look how huge it looks, base transceiver system. Mobile phone users are simply unaware about the underlying technologies that are being used beneath. A user only knows that he or she is calling from his mobile, the connection is being established, and the receiver is receiving the call, or he is surfing the net, he is playing games, he is accessing social networking sites, he is checking mails, like that. But the underlying technology, how much or how detailed or how vast the technology is being used, he is unaware of those technologies. This we have already discussed. BSS consists of 3 elements, BTS and BSC, and transponder. I will ask everyone that after class just find out what is transcoder, and in the next class we will ask what is transcoder. I have already explained BTS and BSc. Network switching system, NSS, this is the main part, which is the mobile switching center and performs switching of calls between mobile and other fixed or mobile network user. Since the mobile devices are movable, so we are moving from one network to another network. When the user is roaming, then also he is moving from one system to another system. So this is a fixed or mobile, as well as management of mobile services such as authentication. Authentication of mobile services is also done with the help of this system. The switching system includes the following functional elements: home location register, mobile service switching center, visitor location register, authentication center, equipment identity register. These are different functional elements which are used by the system. So defining OSS, it stands for Operation Support System, set of systems connected together, and the other network elements like BSS and NSS, etc. It is a separate centralized system which monitors and controls the network. What is, if we take the taxi analogy, like it is an example, then we will find that taxi as TSP, engine as network, and dashboard as OSS. So this is the diagrammatic representation, or this is a real life example. I think all of you will be able to understand. In case of confusion, you can get in touch with me. Elements of OSS. There are 4 key elements of OSS: process, data, application, and technology. Processes are the sequence of events. Data, the information that is acted upon. Applications, the components that implement processes to manage data. And technology, how we implement the application. That is the underlying technology. Thank you. That's all for today. I think all of you will study and will come back with questions. In the meantime, don't forget that I have asked about transcode system. So all of you will study that and will give answer. Okay. So I am ending the meeting.
Well, thank you, ma'am.
And see you in the next class.